Okay guys, check this out. There's a YouTube channel out there with only 11 videos, but guess what? It already has 183K subscribers, and it's about to hit 20 million views total. You'll quickly notice each video has a crazy high number of views. This clearly means there's a ton of potential in this niche, don't you think? Also, you'll see these are long videos, usually between 1 to 2 hours. Even though these videos are super long, the channel doesn't post very often. Now hold on, are you seeing what I'm seeing? Yep, that's right, opportunity knocking. If people love this content, but the creator uploads so infrequently, why don't we jump in and release more videos during that downtime? Today, I'll show you how to create videos just like these, step by step, using only free tools. Relax, grab your coffee, and follow along. This won't take long. Now, I get what you might be thinking. I don't have time to create videos that are 1 to 2 hours long. But wait a minute, who said we need to make videos that long? Instead, how about creating shorter videos, around 8 to 15 minutes each? And if 8 to 15 minutes isn't enough to cover your story, just split it into parts, like episode 1, episode 2, and so on. This way, we can upload frequently, attracting more viewers easily, especially helpful if you're a beginner. Sounds good, right? Okay, let's start creating our script. First, open ChatGPT. Feed it all the channel details, the name, video titles, everything. This helps ChatGPT get into character and understand exactly what you want. Next, click on any video from the channel, hit share, copy the link, and head over to the YouTube transcript website. Paste the link, click get transcript, and bam! You've got the full transcript. Hold up! We aren't here to copy someone else's transcript, we need original content. So copy the transcript again, head back to ChatGPT and paste it for analysis. If it's too long, split it into smaller chunks. Once analyzed, use this prompt to ask ChatGPT for fresh ideas. Soon, ChatGPT will suggest several cool options. Next, create your own script by entering another prompt into ChatGPT. For example, if you're aiming for an 8-minute video, request a script of about 1,500-2,000 words. Don't worry, I'll share all prompts and resources in my WhatsApp channel. Click the link in the description to join for free. Now hit BAM again. And just like that, ChatGPT provides your script and prompts for AI-generated images. Pretty awesome, right? All right, next, VoiceOver. If you've got time, you can do your own voiceover. But for this tutorial, we'll use AI voiceover using DupDub. DupDub is amazing. You can create AI avatars, AI voiceovers, voice cloning, translate videos, and even get AI-generated transcriptions. Plus, there's a free trial, link in the description. Copy your script, head to DupDub, click AI voiceover, then change a voiceover. Choose historical stories on the left. I personally like Jensen more. Let's pick that. Paste your script, hit generate, and export the voiceover once done. Next step, AI image creation. Let's create visuals using Pixelman AI. It's free. Just sign up using your email, launch the app, hit create, and copy your first ChatGPT prompt. Paste it into Pixelman, select the Pixelman Art V1 model, set the ratio to 16.9, and click generate. Bam! First image ready. Nice, right? Repeat this process for all prompts, making sure each one has its own unique image. Download all images to your computer. Still feeling short on images? No problem. Simply head back to ChatGPT, pick your first paragraph, and ask it for more prompts. Then generate extra images with Pixelman AI. Easy peasy. Next up, bringing the images to life. This step is optional, but if you have time, you can animate the images into video clips for more dynamic content. Go back to ChatGPT, input this animation prompt, copy the first prompt, then jump to Hailuo AI, click Create Video, upload the image, paste your prompt, and hit Generate. Repeat for each image, then download them all. Next, background music. My personal advice? Just pick music from the YouTube audio library. It's copyright free. Not sure what music fits best? ChatGPT can help here too. Finally, editing your video. Open up CapCut, import your voiceover and images. Drag your voiceover to the timeline, adjust the volume, then add images. Preview and arrange each image, fitting them neatly with your voiceover. Add keyframes to images for subtle zoom effects. Then sprinkle in special effects like black noise, frog, and vignette. Throw in play pendulum for extra motion, then pick black fade as a transition effect and apply it to all. Next, captions. Click text, choose auto captions, pick English, then hit generate. If the subtitles look dull, just select a nice caption style from the templates. Drop in your background music, trim extra parts, and lower the music volume so your voiceover shines through. Add a fade-in effect at the start, fade out at the end, and maybe some text annotations for key moments. Now we're good to export. Wait, are we really done? Not yet. We still need an eye-catching title, an SEO-optimized description, and a clickable thumbnail. Again, let ChatGPT and AI handle it. Input your prompts into ChatGPT to create titles, descriptions, then generate your thumbnail prompts. Copy this to ideogram.ai, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, and click Generate. Download your favorite thumbnail. Now we're talking. A fully finished video, catchy title, awesome thumbnail, great description. Thanks so much for sticking around until the end. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and share it. And hey, be sure to check out my other videos. Who knows, you might find just the inspiration you need to kickstart your own YouTube success story. Alright, now let's check out the final masterpiece.
Throughout history, humanity's destiny has been shaped by powerful empires. They rose from humble beginnings, achieved extraordinary greatness, and eventually succumbed to inevitable decline. From Rome to Britain, from the Mongols to the Ottomans, these are humanity's greatest empires. They're stories of ambition, conquest, innovation, and collapse. Our journey begins in the cradle of civilization, Mesopotamia, around 2300 BCE. Here emerged the Akkadian Empire, the world's first empire, led by the legendary Sargon the Great, who united numerous city-states under his rule. Akkad pioneered centralized governance, paving the path for empires to come.